Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We're down here downtown Kansas City, Missouri. Truck's been driven. This is actually my second take on the video, so just jumping in here. It's already a little bit warm. It's pretty cold, but we're about a mile away from the shop. Today we're dealing with a pretty truck, an 04 F250 crew cab long bed FX4 Lariat 6.0 Powerstroke. Really cool truck. It's got some mods going on, as you can see. We've got a lot of PTM accessories. Everything's paint to match, flares, mirrors, handles. But it is a Lariat package. No rips or tears in the leather seats. Got heated seats too. Pretty clean old truck all around for the most part. We're going to be cold starting it, inspecting it, going through it, all that fun stuff. Good miles too on this rig, if I remember right. 156,275. Tranny is warm. Temperature is starting to show warm. So this is not technically a cold start, but you guys know what I do. I'm bringing you the information. Truck fires right up. No check engine lights, no nothing. It's a really solid truck actually. Low miles, 150K. Great options. So as far as it goes, pretty stock old truck. Stock factory Ford bolts. Has an EGR delete. And it's got some aftermarket upgraded leaf springs for towing. Other than that, just a stock old truck. Tinted windows and some accessories. Leveling kit, wheels, tires, and that's it. But we got it stock. Not a lot more to tell about it. Pretty good condition all in all. Seat's got some H cracks in them, just stress from being sat in, but nothing crazy. Back seat's in nice condition. Got the sliding window, bed liner, tinted windows. All in all, really nice. Heat and AC all work. 6-disc, or nope, just a CD player with the tape deck. It's an 04, I forgot. 4-wheel drive on the fly, cup holders, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, everything works. You know, we see it a lot in our camp here, but we did the 08 tow mirrors, and they are power heated, all that good stuff, and of course they work too. I'm just showing you. We get all that hooked up working, and we had them paint to match also. It looks really sharp. Yeah, trailer brakes. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the inside. Overhead, the light is out on this thing. They're notorious for going out. Pretty common, easy fix, but nothing crazy, just your compass up there. But yeah, let's hop out, pop the hood, check the rest of this bad boy out. That's where all the cool stuff is outside. This truck from the outside is beautiful. Something about a long bed once it's lifted up. I got this one clean under the hood. Definitely shined up and nice looking, but it doesn't build any pressure. Nice soft hose, good coolant. And like I said, it is an EGR delete. The valve is still in place, but the truck has been deleted. Go ahead and check it for blow-by real quick while we're out here. Absolutely none. Zero blow-by, which is what we want to see. Like I said, it's stock Ford head bolts, no ARP studs. Truck's never been tuned or studded or anything. Stock exhaust, stock intake, just deleted truck, which is super common with these 6 liters. Now, the elephant in the room, it's got an 05 clip on it. So we actually put a new header panel, a new 05 grille, 05 headlights, and an 05 Lariat bumper. And we didn't do it. It wasn't wrecked or anything. We just wanted to paint to match and update the front end a lot. We had the parts sitting around the shop, so, you know, we made it happen. Really gives it a nice look. That's a one-piece billet grille, and we painted the outside and left the inside matte black. We also did, you'll see a lot more of these coming out. Nice diode tech LED headlight that we're putting in these bad boys now. So with the Harley, you're going to get LED headlights, LED cab lights up top, which are all smoked out. Mirror emblems are all smoked out too, LED. So yeah, really sharp look on the front end. Paint to match fender flares. Wheel and tire setup. We're doing these gunmetal Cali rock-ons again. It's a 20x12 -44 on a 35-inch Terrain Attack all-terrain amp tire. 40,000 mile tread warranty. Those are both brand new wheels and tires. Suspension's been serviced on the front end of this bad boy. Pretty clean old truck. It's got the keypad for the door there. So one thing I can tell you, this truck has some rust. I'm not going to hide it. It has bed liner down low, so you can tell it's been, and I'm going to get down there and show you. I don't want to hide this from you guys. Looks like it had some work done. Someone just didn't want to paint it. It is not a rust-free truck, but it's not ragged out. It's not rusty and holey like you'd expect. You know, looks like someone just did some bed liner as opposed to painting it after they fixed it. So kind of just, it is what it is on those. When we're dealing with these 16-year-old 150,000 mile trucks, we get them in all walks of life. Get down and look at these cross rails. As you can see, they do have some rust. That one's got some crumble on it. They are not perfect, and like I said, this truck has some rust, but it's still in great shape. It's an FX4 off-road package, so you got the skid plates, 373 limited slip, Rancho shocks. We did an LED smoked third brake light. We updated the bumper to a 2008 style Super Duty bumper and had it paint to matched. Had the tailgate resprayed when we did all the paint work because it had some chips on it. Factory trailer tow package down low, and the truck is set up to tow fifth wheel. Camper set up in the bed there. There's not a lot of dings on this truck. There is one I forgot to show you. It's got a little touch up on it. Nothing crazy, but I don't know if you caught it. It's a little spot of touch up right there. As we back out, you can see it's pretty minor, but I try to point everything out. This is just kick up from all the mud on the ground. Smoke tail lights. All in all, pretty clean truck, even with the rust. I'm gonna check out this side and show you. This side looks really nice, actually. I'll show you what's going on with that bed liner. I mean, the bottoms of the doors aren't rusty. Usually in these rusty trucks, that is pure rust down there, and it isn't bad. I don't know. I just like to give you guys all the info. We don't try to hide or, you know, misrepresent a truck. I want to make sure you guys have all the details and facts, so we're just kind of going through it, checking it out. But with the exception of the little rust I pointed out, it seems to have been addressed and covered up. This is actually a really nice truck. You got some light stains in the vinyl there, which is common. Carpets are in good shape. It doesn't smell weird. It's not a smoker's truck. And that Dirty Money logo comes off the windshield if it doesn't fit your walks of life. You know, if I don't put it on there, you guys ask for it, and I put it on there, it usually wants to be taken off. So I think it looked good on this one. But all in all, this is a really nice truck, and as you can tell, we've put some time and money into it. It runs great. It's been fully serviced, suspension, alignment, under the hood, there's no leaks. Really needs nothing except a driver. 816diesel.com. Head over to the website now. On the website, you're going to find pictures, VIN number, pricing. Pretty much any question you have should be answered on the website. And if it's not, give me a call. My name's Cameron. Shop number is 816-298-7030. Or you can text me, call me on my cell direct, 913-735-3748. But like I said, we're located downtown Kansas City in the West Bottoms. Give me a shout. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to come check it out. We're around 6 days a week, closed on Sundays, so let me know what works for you guys. We are by appointment only, so we do appreciate you reaching out and setting something up with us. But thank you for your time, and you have a great rest of your week out there.